I'm Sandra Siagian and I'm here today to interview a young local DJ. His name's Jake Riverosky and he's from Penshurst and will be performing at the 2010 National Youth Week Under-18s Dance Party for the Hurstville Council. Hey Jake, how's it going?
Hey, not bad, thanks.
That's good. Do you normally play with the window open?
Never. You better come inside before the neighbours get angry.
Okay. Oh, hi again. So the Under-18s Dance Party's coming up for Youth Week on Friday 16th of April. Are you excited for that?
Yeah, that should be good fun. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, is this your first event you're performing at?
Yeah, this is the first one, so really looking forward to it. Should be a good night.
Yeah, how long have you been doing this for?
I've been doing it for about a year and a half now.
Yeah. When did you first find out about DJing?
Well, I went to my first dance event called Unity 2008 and pretty much just saw the DJs there and what they were doing, and I thought it looked really interesting, so I just pretty much got into it, brought my first set, and then, yeah, got into it through that.
Yeah, and how long have you, have you got any DJs that are your idols? Like, is this the kind of music you've always been into?
Not really. Ever since that dance party, I've kind of just evolved into that kind of music. Hardstyle is probably my favourite music, and favourite artists include probably Noise Controllers, Headhunters, and Ivan Karsten, people like that, yeah. So
you're into more mainstream music, or has this always been the style you've been into?
This is more of always the style I've been into, more just the hardstyle kind of things, yeah.
Yeah. Do you have like a DJ name?
Yeah, my DJ name's Back to Basics.
And how did you get that name?
It just came to me pretty much. There wasn't really anything to it. Just came to me, thought it sounded cool, so decided to use it.
So you've just been teaching yourself on your own set here?
Yeah, just through like trial and error and stuff off the internet that's been teaching me in that. So yeah, just been practicing.
That's good. And so do your parents ever get annoyed with the noise?
Sometimes they get annoyed. When I do it late at night they do, but apart from that they're pretty supportive with it, so.
Yeah, that's good. Have they come out and seen you watch a show?
Yeah, they've come out and seen me do a couple of little events and some parties as well, so yeah, they've seen me do it.
Okay. So can you show me a few of the techniques you use DJing?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so pretty much with DJing is just the left deck and your right deck. And with this knob here you control it, so that will play your left deck. And this one here will play your right deck, so you can hear that. And these little knobs here, they control the low frequencies, the high frequencies and the mid frequencies. And these knobs here control the volume, so you can turn this one down and then turn it up. And this one controls that deck's volume. And that's pretty much the basics of DJing, just mixing two songs together to make them sound different to the original track.
If you're only 17 and you started pretty young, what advice do you have for other people who want to give this a go?
Pretty much just go out there and do it. Don't worry too much about the price. Just practice all you can and then make a demo tape and get it to as many people as you can. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully it goes from there.
Cool. So do you reckon I can have a go at this?
Yeah, sure. Just play away.
You can't hear the noise, can you? I just like the noise.